What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video. Back in Southern California, Santa Clarita clearance store. I've been hearing out. I've been missing out. Y'all been getting stuff here. Let's go see what they got. I've been hearing from some of y'all that they've been having the heat cart and they've had some heat. Missed out on some Jordan 2 J Balvins. I didn't even get with those. But yeah, let's go see what they got. I do have a couple gift cards. Hopefully. All right, I am late. They got some Jordans right there. The 36s. They got some of the LeBrons. I did get a little closer. Some LeBrons. Those are what, $80. The Jordans up top, 11.5. Those are 80 bucks. All right, that's about it. All right, let's go check out the 10s, 10.5s. See what they got here. They say no more reselling, but I still see campers here. All right, let's look around, see if there's anything left. Didn't see much on the heat wall, so did I come too late today? Some hard courts. You rarely ever see tennis shoes like made specific for tennis. You got these Zoom Court NXT hard courts, 60 bucks, man. Normally go for like 150 or something. Starting off from the size 10, obviously the Blazer mids. These are going for 60. LeBrons, that's what I'm talking about, down to 100 bucks. Okay. Of course, the Terra Kiger, seen these a million times, going for 70. Genome, seen these 100 million times, $70 for those, or $80 for those. 270 Reacts, going for 70 bucks. The Waffle debuts, 35, holy cow. The Air Max Flyknit Racers, going for 80. Then Infinity Run React Flyknits, they're going for 80, not too crazy today. In the size 10.5 now, LeBron Witness 6 is going for $40. $40 for these, that is just a freaking steal. These normally go for, I think they were 90 or 100, one of those. Okay. People told me that they had a bunch of LeBron 2s here. That was last week. Things go quick, so not anymore. Giannis Immortality 2s going for $40. Okay. Super Rep 3s. Weird color going for 50 bucks. Baseball cleats with React in it. Down to $30. The Huarache Elite 3s. Court Visions going for $35. Metcons, those are $70. We are on the 11s. Man, no LeBron 2s for your boy right here. All right, Air Force One boots, going for $80. More of these Infinity Run Flyknits. Seen a bunch of these colors, going for $80. Or a bunch of different colorways, my bad. The Crater Impact's going for $50. Do got these 40. Jordan Access down to $50. Someone needs J's. They're here. In the size 12s, I see a size 13 here. Seeing a lot of these Immortalities. I haven't seen this colorway. Man, they're going for $40, dude. Super Rep Cycles down to $50. I thought these would be way cheaper than that. These are the cycling shoes. Got these tiny little ones right here. Kind of look like some Air Max 90s. Air Max 90 cribs going for $25. That's funny. Some Air Max Torch. I actually have a pair of these. I bought these years and years ago. Use them as my beaters. $40 for those. It's a 12.5. Just not seeing the craziest stuff today. On the 13s, the field boots right here. The field boots 2 8-inches. The Real Tree version go for 100. Do got the Flytrap 5s going for 40. The Pegasus Turbo Next Natures. I really haven't seen too many of these. These are going for what, $70. Looks like a recycled Zoom X. And even the upper looks like a recycled material. He's definitely interesting. But it is Pegasus Turbos, man. Super squishy, super duper squishy for $70. Wow. Pegasus Turbos are my go-to if I just need anything super comfortable. $40 for the DeSchultz right here, Jesus sandals. Pegasus 38's going for $60. I'm just covering all this for if there happen to be any newer viewers, because it's kind of all stuff that we've seen here a million times. The Defy All Days, the budget version of the Monarchs, Got the Monarch look to it. Going for 30. 14s and 15s. That's it. Before we would get 2 entire aisles, but now we're back down to 14s, 15s being a very, very small section here. Wow. The Vaporfly Next Percent's going for 100. The Tempo Next Percent Fly Knits, $100. Of course, tons of basketball sneakers as usual. You know, these go for what, $70? $80 for those, 70, 60 for these. PG's down to 50. Dude got 15 and a half. You just don't see those sizes. Man, they got half sizes here on the huge sizes. You just never see it. $30 for these. These are the Zoom Eyes 2s. Zoom BBNXTs, 15 and a half, going for 40. Also got another 15 and a half right here. You just never see these. Hilarious. All right, let's check out some of the smaller sizes. Dude got these, the Tempo Next Percent Fly E's going for $100. Trying to buy some LeBron 2s, but not really seeing any. Just seeing these LeBron 19s. Man, them LeBron 2s must have gone quick. Plenty of these Pegasus shields. We think these go for dirt cheap. $50 here. SC Pegasus 38s going for $60. They got tons and tons and tons of size 8s and 9s now. They would have half a section now. They have a full aisle now. So yeah, they seem like they're getting a ton of more stuff. Man, Nike free run trails. No price tag. Got more LeBrons. These are LeBron 19s, go for 100. Man, only got these in smaller sizes. If they had my size, I probably would grab them. $60 for the Kyrie Infinities. These are size 8. Got these ugly things, the Air Madas right here. The ACGs going for 60. The Go Fly E's. They're the bigger one, maybe $60 for those. Maybe I should try one of the store modes to see if they have some of these. $50 for the Waffle Trainer 2s. Invincible Run Fly Knits going for 80. Winter Warrior, what the hell? A Snood. This is definitely something that we don't see in California too much, or in Southern California. Just put it around your neck and I guess it helps protect your mouth and all that stuff. Just be getting cold as hell, man. Just be getting cold as hell. Only got small mediums here and $7, normally $20. Still got some slides. I've never seen these Jordan slides. What the hell are these? These are heavy as hell. God damn, dude. No price tag on them. Go for $40 apparently. I don't know what the MSRP is though. I got multiple colors. They are heavy. Holy cow. They got the thongs right here. $15. The Victory slides right here. These are like their super budget slides, but they got like a little comfort. They got a little comfort on them. I don't know the price. Last time I think they were $15 last time I saw them, so don't expect them to be too expensive, that is. Yeah, they're normally $35. They were like $15 or $20. No prices on these though. Oh, $25. $25, damn, that's more than I've ever seen them here. I am keeping an eye on the heat wall. Ain't seen Jack, ain't seen nothing there. Let's see, dude got some polos here. Green Bay looking polo, $25. These are all smalls. Hawaiian shirt going for 30. Medium polos. The Green Bay polo is still 25. They got some blue ones, 25, normally 60. They got larges as well. Extra small for these. And yeah, those are down to $30. I don't know what the regular price is. Okay. Ooh, they got Lakers polos. That's actually super dope. If I wore polos, $30. These are all mediums. Yeah, $30. These normally probably go for what, $70, $80? $75. Holy crap. These are the dry fits. Got white ones too for $30. Purple ones. Man, if you gotta wear polo for work, these are fire, dude. $30, normally $75. They got USC hoodies. These are mediums, go for $30, normally $75. That's actually pretty freaking fire. Pretty dope. Wonder if I should go for my pops. My sister went to USC, so. Long sleeve pullovers, $70 down to $25. These are all XLs. Like small poofy jackets. These are Therma though, which are really, really nice. $160 down to $60. These are larges right here. They got a few of them. Kuzma shirts. I can't believe they still got these. They're still going for $15 though. Man, y'all need to make these like $4 or just donate these to like I don't know, those who need Kuzma shirts. Damn, I forgot I still do need a backpack. They don't have that much here. They just got these camo backpacks. Camo Jordans going for 20. Camo Zions going for 25. These are pretty dope, but this is too small for what I'm looking for. I'm looking for a kid that I know, a high school kid. 65 down to 25. Filling out a bunch of stuff. They got men's cycling cleats or cycling shoes. All the super ups and stuff going for 25. And they got women going for 15 because these are harder to move apparently. All right, dude. Yeah, I'm looking for jerseys. I'm looking for all kinds of stuff, and not a damn thing, guys. Not a damn thing. All right, let's go check out the women's section. I think I said the last time I came here, I'd check out the women's section because it's been a while. It's been a minute. Size 8 women's. Got the OGs going on for $70 here. Zoom type craters. I don't think have I seen these? Only thing is like, the best thing about this was the midsole and crater foam. Just like, oh my god, that's hard. That is so hard compared to the original. What are these? The Zoom types, original Zoom types. They look alright though, but just not as comfy. $150 down to 70. Got a ton of them. Got the Furiosas go for 70. So you got these, the Alpha Fly Next Percent. What these go for? $100. $100 for the women that like to run. Damn, that's 6.5Y or size 8 women's. Another one of those. Dang, got a bunch. Dang, whole ton of them. Wow. Got Daybreaks, go for $50. They got at least like 10 of those here. Maybe 50, more like 15 of them. Wow. Checking the size 7s. Do got the Pegasus right here. I think this Pegasus 36s. These are down to what? $30? $30? This is a Nike by you? $30 Pegasus. Cheapest I've ever seen that. They got Blazers right here. Next Natures. These are Blazer mids going for $50. Tempo Next Percents going for $100. Metcons 7.5 going for $60. They got the Air Max 2021s going for $80. Those are interesting. Hirachis right here going for $60. Not seeing too much. Still do got the campers here, so doesn't look like that has changed much. I've never seen them have infant stuff like this. Got foam posit for the infants. That's definitely interesting. $15 for those. These are normally like $40-50. That's crazy. Got the Air Max 90s ones down there. Got a little 3-piece set. Man, if you guys need gifts, super easy gifts for sneakerheads. They got children's socks. The everyday socks go for $100 for a 3-pack. Damn, I still need socks. Wait, what's over the men's sizes over here? Hold up, man. They do got. These are all the crew though. The ankle socks. They got the gray no-shows. They got the gray no-shows. What these going for? Going for $15, normally $20. We got white ones. The Everyday Plus. I think these are the no-shows. Yeah, I think these are the no-shows. Just says low though. Usually it says no-shows. See, right? Like that says no-shows. But this looks like it's the same though. Looks like it's the same. The top is a little nicer. These are $15. I think these are normally $22. And they got 3-packs here. These are the everydays. Go for $10, normally $14. They got the Everyday Plus. I think these are the ones I need to get. I'm gonna have to do some research when I get home, and then I'll probably come back, buy a couple more of these. But I think that's it. Checked the heat section again. Same stuff as before, dude. And Duke got Charger shorts. If you're a Chargers fan, these are pretty freaking dope. What's the price? $20 for Charger shorts. What size is that though? Oh, double XL. They do got the yellow Chargers one as well. Sizing definitely an issue because like double XL. They got Rams shorts. That's just a regular XL right here. This one's a regular XL as well. And then this one shows a small tag right here. So sizing definitely an issue, but yeah, XL for that one. But $75 down to what, $30 and $20. Holy cow, man! They got the Toon Squad shorts. These are mediums, going for $30. These are hella long. I think I have one pair of these at home. These are hella long too. But yeah, $90 down to $30 for those. Those were $90 originally. That's insane. But I think that's about it. They got some yoga pants and stuff. If that's what you're into for $30. These are double XLs and stuff. All right, let's go. I think we're done, dude. I think we're done. Let's go. Lakers. Best deal here. All right, guys, it was a pretty mediocre trip, but we still found something. Even though they had nothing on the heat wall, even though they really didn't have that much in the sneaker section, unless like you need some performance stuff, unless there's something like super not hype stuff that you're looking for, crazy prices for that. But even when we don't find much, we still found those Laker shirts, the Laker polos for $30. That's just hella cheap, you know, especially with they're like dry fit, they're like nicer material stuff, and normally go for what, $75. That's kind of crazy. If you also like the Rams and Charger shorts, that was kind of crazy too. Sizing definitely an issue, but yeah, it's kind of crazy. But yeah, that's kind of how the Nike outlet game works, especially with the clearance store. More of a hit and miss, but you know, and you also have to deal with the campers and stuff like that, so it's kind of a pain. It doesn't look like Nike's done that much regarding the campers, even though they say hey, there's no reselling. That's definitely an interesting thing as well. So yeah, we'll see. We'll continue to monitor things, see how things go, and yeah, hopefully they have the heat section or the heat cart back soon enough. We'll see. Man, thanks so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much for making it to the end. Make sure you help a boy. Make sure you press that like button if you're new to the channel. Press the subscribe button. Click on that notification bell. Got plenty coming. That was the Nike clearance store. See you guys on the next one. Peace.